Xiaomi just launched a brand new Mi Home experience store in Connaught Place New Delhi that aims to give fans and customers an experience not just of their Indian products but also of their global ones and their technological innovations under one roof. This is the third store of its kind in India following the Chennai and Mumbai stores that launched earlier this year. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. Let's take a look at what they have to offer. This new store is located in Connaught Place N block and we'll link the exact address and location in the description below. Large, clean spaces with well-lit interiors spread across 2 floors is the first impression that you have when you walk in. All of Xiaomi's products are showcased, including locally available devices as well as products that are available in China or global market but are yet to arrive on Indian soil. This gives fans and customers a chance to experience the innovation and technical workmanship that goes into making their products reality. You have everything from the 9-bot Mini, a self-balancing personal human transporter, smart luggage, Mi Robot vacuum cleaner, a smart electric scooter, Mi notebooks, Mi smart shoes and much more. Here's what are all on showcase. You can also get your Xiaomi phone engraved to your liking by visiting the store. The store in Delhi becomes the third Mi Home experience store in the country, and you can also visit their stores in Chennai and Mumbai for a similar experience. Apart from this, Xiaomi also has 36 Mi Home stores where you can experience and purchase products that have been launched in the Indian market, and they're planning to expand that number to 100 stores by the end of the year. We're also hoping to get a Mi Home experience store in Bangalore very soon. Fingers crossed for that. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.